Hello students, let's talk about the Consumer Price Index and the actual true inflation rate. The Consumer Price Index, by its very nature, is tracking what happens to the changes in the cost of a fixed market basket of goods and services over time. Now, because the basket has to be fixed in order to track changes in just the prices, that leads to some problems. The first problem is that it assumes that the quantities that people buy don't change in response to price changes, so the effect of price increases is going to be magnified. Think about the price of gasoline. The Consumer Price Index market basket assumes that each American buys a certain amount of gasoline. When the price of gasoline goes up sharply, people respond by buying less. They find ways to reduce the number of trips they take, they carpool, they find ways to walk or bike to the places they're going, so the quantity changes. Therefore, a price increase is going to be magnified if you assume no one responds to changes in price. We know that's not true. People aren't stupid. Also assumes that the quality never changes. So if you're comparing a Ford Taurus from 30 years ago to a Ford Taurus today, the Taurus today has features on it that the old Taurus didn't have. It has anti-lock brakes, it has airbags, it has better gas mileage. Those things aren't free. Airbags don't just fall out of the sky, and anti-lock brakes don't make themselves. So charging more to include those items is not inflation. So we know that the Consumer Price Index always overstates inflation. The true inflation rate is lower.